Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Let me share with you the recipe of this interesting dish, puff pastry filled with cheese. First, I'm gonna brush my puff pastry with some oil, canola or olive oil. In a bigger bowl, I'm gonna mix together my cottage cheese, some Parmesan, and my zaatar. Gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna distribute it in an even layer on my puff pastry. Now I'm gonna roll my puff pastry. I'm gonna bring the two edges to meet here in the middle. I'm gonna remove my packaging paper. Fold them one more time towards the middle. One more time in the middle. Now I'm gonna wrap it in the same packaging paper. That's why I kept it to the end. And I'm gonna pop it in my freezer, probably for 15 minutes. Here I have the frozen one. I'm gonna brush it with some oil. Gonna sprinkle some untoasted sesame here, and I'm gonna roll it in the sesame. And now I'm gonna cut it, I would say like ½ inch. It's an excellent lunchbox snack. Lay those slices like face up. Make sure to get some of this nice coating. And it's ready to go to the oven. Now I'm back with those piping hot rolls of puff pastry filled with cheese. And now let me take it. This is a must try. Please try making it at home. Don't forget to leave a comment. And I will be back with another interesting Mediterranean recipe.